Hello. This is Dear Aria. Today, we will learn about the causes of seborrheic dermatitis. 1. Excessive sebum secretion. The main cause of seborrheic dermatitis is excessive sebum secretion from the sebaceous glands. When sebum is secreted excessively, pores become clogged, inflammation occurs, and dandruff-like dead skin cells accumulate on the scalp. Excessive sebum secretion can be affected by various factors such as hormones, genetic factors, and eating habits. 2. Malassezia fungus. Seborrheic dermatitis is related to the excessive growth of a fungus called Malassezia. Malassezia is a fungus that normally exists on the skin, but in an environment with a lot of sebum, this fungus can grow excessively and cause inflammation. This causes increased dandruff, a red scalp, and itchiness. 3. Stress and decreased immunity. Stress is one of the main factors that worsens seborrheic dermatitis. When the body is stressed, the immune system is weakened, which can make skin inflammation reactions more severe. In addition, chronic stress affects hormone secretion, which increases sebum secretion and becomes a factor that causes or worsens seborrheic dermatitis. 4. Climate and environmental factors. Climate changes can also affect seborrheic dermatitis. In particular, in cold weather or dry environments, the skin becomes dry, which weakens the skin barrier and can worsen inflammation. On the other hand, in hot and humid weather, sebum secretion increases and fungal growth is promoted, which can worsen the condition of the scalp. 5. Hormonal changes. Seborrheic dermatitis is also closely related to hormonal changes. When there is hormonal fluctuation such as puberty, pregnancy, or menstrual cycle, sebum secretion increases and seborrheic dermatitis symptoms can worsen. In particular, since androgen, a male hormone, increases the activity of the sebaceous glands, it tends to occur more frequently in men. Let's learn about the symptoms of seborrheic dermatitis. 1. Dandruff. Dandruff is one of the most common symptoms of seborrheic dermatitis, and appears as white or yellow scales that build up on the scalp or fall off the hair. 2. Itching. Persistent itching is the main symptom of seborrheic dermatitis, and it is worsened by inflammation and scales. 3. Oily scalp. When sebum is secreted excessively, the scalp and hair easily look oily, which can be unpleasant. 4. Red rash. Inflammation can cause the scalp to turn red, and in severe cases, a rash can develop. Let's learn about how to manage and treat seborrheic dermatitis. 1. Use an antifungal shampoo. It is effective to use a shampoo that contains an antifungal ingredient to suppress the growth of Malassezia fungus, one of the main causes of seborrheic dermatitis. Shampoos containing ingredients such as ketoconazole, selenium sulfide, and zinc pyrithione help suppress the growth of fungi and relieve inflammation. It is important to use these shampoos periodically to manage symptoms. 2. Use steroid ointment. In cases of severe inflammation, ointment containing steroid ingredients can be used. Steroids are effective in quickly relieving inflammation, but they can have side effects when used for a long period of time, so it is recommended to use them for a short period of time. Steroid ointment should be used under the prescription of a dermatologist. 3. Manage stress. Since stress is a major factor that worsens seborrheic dermatitis, it is important to manage stress. Reducing stress through regular exercise, meditation, and sufficient sleep can alleviate skin inflammation reactions. 4. Maintain a balanced diet. A healthy diet has a significant impact on skin health. In particular, oily foods, instant foods, and alcohol can promote sebum secretion, so it is recommended to maintain a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and protein. It is also important to keep the skin moisturized by drinking enough water. 5. Maintain a clean scalp. Keeping the scalp clean is essential to preventing and managing seborrheic dermatitis. In particular, it is important to rinse the shampoo well when washing your hair so that no residue remains. If you have excessive sebum secretion, it is recommended to wash your hair once a day to keep your scalp clean. Have a healthy day with Dear Aria today.